nice car. Wow, Jesus Christ. This is the last thing you want to see when you open up a door.
Ahora te llamarás Gloria. What's up, primo?
What's up? This is a nice guy. I like this guy. Very hard work.
Where's the kids?
Oh, you're lucky. The otro no aquí, pero the otro aquí.
The kids?
Yeah, the kids.
Tell the kids to go back.
Do that. You always walk away from the car and you get out of frame.
All right, you guys. Honestly, what do you guys think? I know you guys have seen many wide body kits. Something about this one's a little different. I don't know if it's the satin PPF, but I think this color looks really nice. I love it. You know, before and after, big difference. As you guys can see, anybody that has a Urus, you guys have to do a wide body kit because at the end of the day, it's a completely different car.
It looks like Vic's, but
Yeah.
just different wheels.
Yeah. Yeah, this one looks like Vic's a little bit. The wheels are different. I'm a big fan of the wheels actually. We have a few orders on the same exact wheels going out soon. They're being made now for different cars. So yeah, right now these wheels are pretty hot. Come see us. Why don't you guys just put the glass in there? Nothing's gonna happen.
What about the spoiler? The spoiler. Hey, Donnie, hold this box. Bro, can you hold this shit?
How many people does it take to ship a piece of glass?
Hold this fucking box, man. Take this motherfucker inside.
Put this motherfucker inside. Okay, wait.
Raise it up.
Pick up.
Raise it up, raise it up, raise it up.
Okay, pick it up. But okay.
Shove it in there.
Okay, go. Shove it in
Put it in
there.
the cardboard.
Hold on, my fucking arm is hurting. Wait.
Push.
Push. Push.
Push, Donnie.
Push it in there.
Push it, Moses.
I'm pushing it. You gotta push. You gotta push the same way.
Okay.
Now drop it.
Good guys. We're a big fucking deal out of. Okay.
Where are you gonna put it?
Bring it.
It's in there.
Yeah, put it in. On base.
Go.
Some repairs. We're gonna do an exhaust later. We ordered it, but a beautiful balloon white Ferrari with red interior. The 296 is an epic car. It's like the little brother of the SF90, so really nice. But yeah, this car is gonna get wheels. We have the Novatec springs already, so that's gonna be phase 2. Phase 1 was some little wrap stuff on the back. We wrapped gloss black around the engine bay to make it look bigger, and did some clear brow work. So.
King buffet.
You ate a whole buffet?
Huh? The king buffet.
You had a whole king buffet.
I went there.
Bitch.
What?
It's not my fault.
Why you don't know?
My son, no, my son, he come pick me up.
Okay, I'm just
Yeah,
joking.
and I enjoy. I know you're joking, but it's cool, you know.
Yeah.
I just let you know I come from eat like 3 plates of food.
What did you eat?
Hmm?
What did you eat?
It's seafood.
Oh, seafood.
Yeah, seafood.
You
And
just
also
can't-
they have a place. You put the vegetables,
You like seafood?
eggs and bacon, camarones. ¿Cómo se dice camarones, vio? Oh, shrimps, se me olvida.
Camarones.
Shrimps, ajá,
Good. Go
camarones.
finish the colorings.
And then you put together in the plate and give it to the guy. And this guy, he cooks. And then, oh man, he put chili, salsa, whatever. Big 3 plates.
Sorry, okay.
I don't wanna work now.
Please,
Can I go home?
next time,
Oh, this is for John.
please, next time bring it everything. And I can pay for separate.
Mira,
I had this for 3 weeks. Just bring this up.
my son, he take me to.
Love. Yo, RDB, but come on. Y'all could have spent a couple more thousand to get our man Lewis a running car. Yeah, found the car for Lewis. It just needs a little work, you guys. It's not really that much of a big deal. It will be a running car very soon. I think we're gonna order a computer now and see what's going on. There's no fuel coming from the injector, so we think it's a computer issue. We'll order that, put it in, give it another shot. Fuel pump we replaced already, so there's a new pump in it. And yeah, let's see. We could probably get this thing running hopefully by this weekend. You can have a car, take it home. Okay, so the people, whoever's saying that we had to get Louis the car, I went out of my way and we found something. So everybody should be thankful that we found him a car.
He was super happy.
Doesn't matter what kind of car it is. Louis is happy, and that's it. We have a beautiful Rolls-Royce Phantom. All right, we are doing a. Okay, what do you think we're doing? Take a look at this car. It's completely naked. We have Martin over there doing his magic. He's blacking out everything. We already have a lot of the car blacked out. That's what we're doing. Let's go over this car. Follow me.
What?
All right. So far, we have the window trims done. Window trims are done. We have the door handles that are done as well. Let's go to the back. We have the complete rear done. And the other side is also getting done. We are wrapping the car black. Now, the most magical part of this car is we are doing a Mansory kit. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, another car built Mansory kit. It's gonna be beautiful. Stay tuned for this one. We're excited about it. I think it's gonna look as good. It's gonna look pretty much as good as the one that we did before, because they should all look alike and exactly the same. So Mansory has a beautiful kit. We're excited. Stay tuned for this car. Bye. Guys, you guys are very familiar with this car. This was the one that had a terrible wrap on it. We are redoing everything. It's just off the...
They're all playing around. Oh, look at it. Bring them over here.
Hey, Mosi, keep you said one shampoo.
This shop's out of control. Vic's gonna come and kill everybody soon. He'll be here Monday. Everyone's dead. Okay, so this car came out of the spray booth. Fresh paint. We are starting to assemble the whole car together. We have to get this car out of here in a few days. Car has to be done out of here. It's being transported. That's it. Looks great. Looks like factory. Beautiful. We're putting the parts back together, and everybody's messing around here in the back.
Use this every day.
Yeah.
Every day.
What is it?
See?
It says hair growth.
Oh, this is the one you use.
Yeah.
Mira, mucho pelo.
Yeah.
You need every day, every day.
It didn't work on me, but it worked on him. It's not bad.
You got a faulty bottle.
Yeah.
Try it. I recommend it.
It looks good on you.
Yeah. But you need
look
some.
like a Chinese chef.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's why I'm recommending for you. Try it and you're gonna work.
The hair growth. Nobody believes in the hair growth.
You should put it on.
Oh shit! Mishka!
All his hair's gone.
No, you. You. No. Hey, te lo ocupa.